I was leading a fitness class, 6 a.m., 5 days a week, outdoors, an outdoor fitness, military-oriented class. And so I would do that, and then I would work all day in my landscape business. And it just started to hurt more and more. And I tried avoiding certain things, certain activities. I tried, pain relievers. I went to a chiropractor. Even went to a woman who was a therapist that had me drink soup broth while she acupressure. I was desperate. I met with Dr. Collalto, and he showed me the X-ray. And my daughter, who's a nurse, also looked at it as well, and it was pretty obvious that the hip needed to be replaced. It was bone on bone, and there was no alternate means of fixing the problem. So I went ahead and had it done, and was very pleased with the results. I had a rapid recovery, and soon after I had the left hip done, the right hip started to hurt. And I was so disappointed because my right hip had always been fine, and I had leaned on it heavily during the 6 or so years that the left hip had given me problems. And I just couldn't believe that it was going on me. So I came in and saw the doctor, and he looked at the X-ray and said, "It's not quite as bad as the other one, but it's going. I can do it now, or we can try and I can give you shots, or you can try and work through it for a while." And I decided to not do that because I had already gone through that extended agony with the left hip. So had the right hip done, and recovered even more quickly than I had with the left, and was back to work, driving, walking in short order. I know quite a few people that have had hip replacements and knee replacements, and everyone says go to, there's a center in Philadelphia that everybody goes to, and it's and University of Pennsylvania and Jefferson and so on. And I said, I went to Hunterdon Medical Center, and Dr. Collalto of Hunterdon Orthopaedics did the first one, and that's where I'm going for the second one. There was absolutely no question. I had found a winner, and I stuck with it. I recommend it highly. I recommend Dr. Collalto highly. I would send anybody, family member or friend, that needed any of the work that he does to him. I like him, and I trust him. I am able to do just about anything I want to do in terms of work, to pick things up, move things, carry things, climb, and I also do physical exercise with my wife almost every day. And I've had embarked on a program in which I had a goal to be able to lift and push overhead as much weight as I could, and I got up to close to body weight. And this time of year we leave the gym and we go outdoors to work out. So she and I are outdoors every day doing some type of physical exercise in addition to what I do at work. The more I know him, the more I like him. He's, what you see is what you get, but he knows his stuff, obviously. He got it right twice on me, and, the results speak for themselves.